Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how to determine order of reaction. Alright. So before this, we have discussed about zero order reaction, first order reaction, and second order reaction. So today we are going to determine. We are going to discuss how to determine the order of reaction, whether the reaction follow zero order, first order, or second order. Okay, like we have discussed earlier, the order of reaction is determined from experimental data, okay, not from the stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, there are basically three methods that can be used depending on the information that is available, and also depending on the requirement in the question lah. Okay, so let's take a look at the first method. The first method is called initial rate equation. Okay, initial rate equation ni basically we have discussed earlier lah. During how to write rate law equation. So ini we treat this just as revision lah, sebagai ulang kaji. Sebab kita dah pernah belajar dah benda ni hari tu. So okay, so take a look at this example. Okay, let's say we have this reaction A plus B producing product. The initial reaction rate is given in the table. Okay, so what is the order of reaction? Okay, what we can do is first we can write the rate law equation generally, which looks more or less like this. Rate is equals to K. K is the rate constant. Concentration of A, since we don't know yet the order of reaction, we put just to the power of X. And then concentration of B, also since we don't know yet the order of reaction, we put power Y. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to find the relationship between the changes in concentration of each A and B to how it affect the rate of reaction. So what we can do is we find, if we want to find the effect of concentration of A to the rate of reaction, then we should find constant constant value for B, and vice versa lah. Kalau kita nak cari B, kita cari constant value for A. Okay, so let's start with kita cari untuk A dululah. So let's find value that is constant for B. So if we look at the table, concentration of B constant at experiment 1 and experiment 2. Okay, it has the same value, so we are going to use that. Rate 1 over rate 2. Pakai yang ni. Okay, concentration of A kita masukkan 2.0x, B is 2.0 also, Y, divide by K 4.0x 2.0y, and then we substitute with the value of initial rate 2.4. Cancel anything that appears twice at both value. So kita dapat yang atas ni is 2.0 to the power of x, yang ni 4.0 to the power of x. So kalau kita kira tu 0.6 divide by 2.4, kita akan dapat 1 over 4. Yang ini dapat 1 over 2 to the power of x. So basically x tu kalau tengok dia ialah 2 to the power of 2. So x ni sebenarnya ialah 2 lah. So second order with respect to A. So dengan cara yang sama kita buat untuk cari order of reaction for B pula. So kalau B, sekejap So kalau B, we have to take constant value for A. So kalau kita tengok dekat sini, constant value of A is either 1 and 3 ataupun 3 and 4. Saya ambil 3 and 4 lah. Yang ni So rate 3 over rate 4. So K 2.0x 4.0y, K 2.0x 6.0y. So kalau kita masukkan rate 1.2, 1.8 and then apa nama ni, kita cancel out anything that appears twice. Okay, so yang ni jadi salah pula. Yang kita cancel tu ni. Okay, so 4 divided by 6 is 2 over 3. 4, 6 to the power of y. So kalau kita divide, sini actually dapat 2 over 3. Kat sini pun dapat 2 over 3. So y tu sebenarnya ialah equals to 1 sebab dia sama. So it is first order with respect to B, concentration of B. Okay, so depends on the question lah. Kalau macam ni dia tanya what is the order of reaction, that means kita bagi semualah order of reaction with respect to A, order of reaction with respect to B, and then overall order should be second order plus first order, so dia jadi third order. Okay, so itu kalau kita ada question yang memberikan kita maklumat tentang initial rate of the reaction at different different experiment.